So you've taken stock regarding Darshan's murder case. Tell us regarding the update that you have regarding this
No,
case.
police have already arrested Mr. Darshan, his wife and others. 13 people have been arrested. And they are looking into it. They are investigating what has happened, how this murder took place, why, what is the reason behind it. All these things they are examining it.
So when you said wife, you meant Vijay Lakshmi or Pavitra?
Pavitra Gowda,
Okay. So another.
second wife. They are saying, I don't know exactly. They say she is the second wife.
Okay. Sir, another narrative is that, apart from being just an actor, Darshan is also known for his political influence and the kind of contacts that he has. So people at this point are really doubting the legal system, saying that he's going to come out scot-free because he has the power of money and muzzle. Would you like to give some clarification on this?
No, law is the same to everybody. The same law is applicable to me and to him. And law will take its own action. How can anybody, unless it is proved otherwise, he has to be taken under the law.
So is the Karnataka government planning to split the BBMP into 5 corporations, sir? Are you planning to pass it?
That has been there for a long time. Even when I was the in charge minister, we were also contemplating to divide Bangalore corporation so that effective administration will happen. You see, if you look at various other places, maybe like London, they have so many councils. I think 32 or 38 councils are there. And, effective administration, that is what our feeling is. Administration will happen properly. So that is why they are contemplating to divide Bangalore city. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನು ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಡೆಪ್ಯೂಟಿ CM ಇನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಳಿತಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ನನಗೂ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಆಡಳಿತ ಚುರುಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಫ್ಲಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಡ್ರೈನೇಜ್ಗಳು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆಯಾಯ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯಾಯ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ
So will Darshan be taken for spot inquest today, sir?
I don't know what procedure they follow. They follow the procedures which are already laid out in case of a murder case. Thank you.